In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Administrative Deputy Prime Minister visits Nangarhar and reviews the condition of the returnees in the province. The electronic system for managing official correspondence and administrative documents of Emirati institutions approved. And the United States considering the reduction of its military forces in Germany. Welcome to the news package. It's Thursday, the 13th of Zulqa'dat al-Haram, 1447, the 10th of Sawr, 1405, and the 30th of April, 2026. The news details. Maulvi Abdul Salam Hanafi, the Administrative Deputy Prime Minister, has traveled to Nangarhar province at the head of a high-level delegation. During the visit, Maulvi Hanafi assessed the situation of the returnees in the eastern zone and reviewed the process of their permanent resettlement. His Excellency also issued the necessary directives to the relevant officials for improving public services and addressing the urgent requirements of the returnees. Maulvi Hanafi further instructed the concerned ministries to accelerate the measures related to the distribution of residential plots, road construction, drilling of drinking water wells, and other essential public service projects. At the regular session of the Economic Commission chaired by Mullah Abdul Ghani Brodar, the Economic Deputy Prime Minister, the electronic management system for official correspondence and administrative documents within the Emirate institutions was formally approved. Based on the Economic Deputy Office, following a comprehensive evaluation system, the Minister of Communications and Information Technology has been directed to implement the system gradually across governmental institutions. The office stated that the implementation of the system will strengthen coordination among Emirati institutions, improve transparency, efficiency, and security, prevent forgery, corruption, and waste of time, reinforce accurate record-keeping and accountability, and represent a major step towards electronic governance. It was further noted that the system also provides significant facilities and convenience for the public and applicants. The news continuation. Maulvi Abdul Wali Haqqani, the Deputy Minister for Health Services at the Ministry of Public Health, stated during a public awareness session on the effectiveness of vaccination that cases of vaccine-preventable diseases have significantly decreased during the first 3 months of the current Gregorian year. He emphasized the joint efforts of partner institutions in implementation of vaccination campaign and added that despite the ongoing efforts, children in some remote areas are still deprived of vaccination services due to the existing challenges. And ultimately, Donald Trump, the President of the United States, has expressed that his administration is reviewing the possibility of reducing American troops stationed in Germany and that a decision on that matter will be made in the near future. The announcement comes only days after Friedrich Merz, the Chancellor of Germany, referring to the conflict between the United States and Iran, noted that America had been humiliated by Iran during the war. Germany remains one of the countries hosting a substantial number of American military personnel, with approximately 33,900 US troops currently stationed in that country. That's the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wishing our loyal viewers a blessing Friday. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.